Hi everyone, I bet you don't know what this is or ever seen it in your life. Literally, it's longer than my arm. I don't know if you could probably see. Anyway, it's kind of hard to do, but it is called Sinqua, although in different regions of India, it has different names. And we pair it with onions and tomatoes or with a lentil, sometimes like moong dal or tur dal. So there's different kinds of lentils and pulses in our culture as well. And so I wanted to show you guys, don't be intimidated. It's very easy to cook with and work with, and it's very nice and delicious. And it's a gourd, aka kind of a squash, zucchini, that really holds its shape after the cooking process, so it doesn't disintegrate. So the first thing you always want to do is peel it. And since it's extra large, I'm just going to cut it in half because it's just easier to handle it. Okay, so just cut it down the middle. Okay, and then all you need to do is see these ridges? You're just going to peel them. You don't have to peel the entire vegetable because there are nutrients in the skin as well. But these are a little too hard and it just wouldn't be a nice bite in the curry. So I like to just, do every other, skin removal so you can still see some of the skin. And I did pre-rinse it naturally. And I think that's good. I mean, you don't want it to have that rough edges, basically. I can still feel it. They're pretty sharp. It's not like a cactus, so you can totally touch it. And I don't think it's really an acquired taste. I think people are just intimidated by the look of it, and they just don't know what to do with it. So as you can see, it's, it looks like a cucumber or a squash, like a zucchini. And then you just snip off the side there. And then let me show you. See, this is what it looks like. And I'm just doing 1/2-inch slices. You can also you can dice it. There's all sorts of things and ways to make this. But like I said, I'm going to put it into a lentil curry, so I want to keep my round dials. And it's really pretty nice, and there's not that many seeds in there. As you cut through it, you'll start to see seeds. They're edible. They're not hard. So again, it's an enjoyable recipe. And I will post pictures of the finished product on Instagram here shortly. And I hope that you guys will give this a try. You can find it at your Indian and Asian markets. Thank you.